In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncover new ideas using GrammarlyGo in just 5 minutes. This is a powerful tool that can spark creativity and generate fresh concepts, whether you're writing an article, crafting a story, or simply brainstorming. Let's take a closer look at how you can use this tool effectively. First, start by opening a document or your Gmail account. You can choose a new or an existing document, or if you're in Gmail, compose a new email. The flexibility of the platform means you can seamlessly integrate it into your usual workflow, which is perfect for tapping into creativity when inspiration strikes or when responding to emails with a unique twist. Once your document or email is ready, you need to look for the light bulb icon that represents GrammarlyGo. You'll find it conveniently located within the toolbar of your document or email interface. Clicking this icon is your gateway to exploring a world of new ideas, as it provides access to a variety of writing suggestions and creative prompts. Now, it's time to write a prompt. Think of this as your starting point, the question or statement that will drive the generation of new ideas. It doesn't have to be anything too complex. Simple keywords or phrases can do wonders. Be concise and clear about what you're seeking, whether it's ideas for a new project, an engaging opening for your article, or any other creative input. After you've entered your prompt, GrammarlyGo will work its magic. Within seconds, you'll see a range of ideas and suggestions populate your screen. The beauty of GrammarlyGo lies in its ability to offer diverse options, helping you explore different angles and perspectives that you might not have considered before. Take a moment to browse through these suggestions and don't hesitate to delve deeper into any idea that catches your interest. Once you've identified the ideas that resonate with you, it's time to incorporate them into your work. Simply copy the results that you find most useful and paste them directly into your Google Docs or Gmail interface. This straightforward process allows you to easily integrate the new concepts into your ongoing writing project or email, refining them as needed to best suit your style and objectives. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've tapped into a wealth of fresh, creative ideas using GrammarlyGo in less than 5 minutes. This tool can be a game changer for writers, students, and professionals